In step 2, we need to post an additional journal to reverse the full amount of the accrual adjustments that we've posted. So let's have a look at how we do that in the software. Now, just before we post the journal to reverse out the accrual, I just want to take a quick look at the profit and loss report. And I want to run this up to the end of November. In fact, we'll run it for November only, which was the end of the period for the accrual. So if we just zoom in a little bit so we can see that, and what we've got is we've posted this £100 of expenses each month for the last 3 months, so September, October, November. So what we've done is we've built up an expense of £300. Now what we now need to do is reverse out that expense, and we do that in that last period, so in this example in November. So we do that for £300. So to do that, from the nominal ledger, click Journal Entry. In the reference, again you can put whatever you want, but we'll just put accrual. And the date, you need to remember to change it to the end of November, as long as it falls into the right period, so that last month when we posted the last accrual, that would be fine. So in this case, November. In this case, we want to effectively reverse the journals that we've put through so far. So let's get the right nominal code. So telephone and charges. And in the details, we'll just put reverse accrual. T9 tax code, it's a non-vatable transaction this time. And where we've been building up the debits to show that expense on the profit and loss report, we now need to credit that with the full amount. So £300 in this example. The opposite entry goes to our accruals nominal code. Again, just F6 to copy it down, and this time we debit that nominal code. So just have a quick look when you're posting journals, just make sure everything's all right. So we got the date in there, it's correct, and we've got the debits and credits the right way around. So if we're happy with that one, we'll save it. Click close, and then what I'll quickly do is I'm going to go back to the profit and loss report. Now I'm going to start with the first period at this stage. So in our example, September. So what we've got in September is, in the actual month itself, we've still got that £100 worth of expense from the original monthly journals that we posted. Now we should have exactly the same in October. So let's just quickly run that one. Which, if we zoom in, that's exactly what we've got. So the period column shows the October expenses only, so £100, or year to date now showing 200. And then finally, I'm just going to run this for November, just so we can see the current state of that report. I'll try not to get too confused. Hopefully everything will become clear as well after step 3. But at this stage, just want to show you the report, just to give you a good understanding of what we've got so far. Now, in the period column, we've got November's transactions only. So as far as the expense is concerned, we debited it with a monthly balance, which was that £100 worth of expense, and we've subsequently credited that nominal code with £300 to reverse the full effect of the accrual. So at the moment, in that period, we're showing a negative expense of £200. Year to date wise, we would have had the £100 from September, October and November debiting that account, and we've subsequently reversed out that full amount, and it falls within the year to date figures. So we've got nothing in the year to date figures. So just wanted to clarify at that point, and again hopefully it will become clear after you've watched the video for step 3.